Hi planner friends, it's Stevie from Planner Cookie Mama. Today I'm going to be planning in my mini happy planner from February 17th through to the 23rd, and I'm going to be using this Night Owl kit from Pinky Stickers. I'm just going to quickly show you this kit. So we have our check flags, our full check boxes, our side washi, full boxes, half boxes and quarter boxes, as well as a little day off sticker. And then on this page we have our weekend banner. We've got all of our littles here and here. We've got 2 appointment stickers, 2 build you stickers, 2 habit trackers. We have the washi that goes along here, our top washi, our notes cover, some quarter boxes, our marquee, our day covers, notes cover, and another payday. So I've already cut up this kit. This is just my spare one, and I'm going to start off by saying that we are actually in the middle of gale force winds at the moment, so you'll probably be able to hear that throughout the video. Unfortunately, there's nothing I can do about that. And if you also hear any weird banging, that would be my 2 cats fighting, because they're just in one of those moods today. So I'm going to start off by taking out my pages. Okay, so first off I'm going to do what I always do, which is to put down the washi. So this week there's not actually going to be that much to do because my daughter is off school on Monday and Tuesday because they're in service days, and college is actually off for the full week. I still don't know why. That is just the way that our holidays appear to be working this year. Personally, I think it's rather strange, but who am I to argue? So I'm going to pop down this little notes bar. It's very cute. I like the moons that's in it. Oh, top washi. Almost forgot that. So I've said before that even when my daughter's off school, I like to keep up with her reading and practicing for, like, practice her spelling and her maths. So I'll probably do stuff with her anyway, and I'm going to plan out a whole study weekend as well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pop down the dividers here and put the day covers on top. Actually, I might not put the day covers on top quite yet, but I'm going to do the dividers just now, and I'll speed this bit up because this bit takes me a little while. I've trimmed off the excess strips that were kind of hanging over the sides, and as you can see when I did it up here I ripped it, so whoops. But doesn't really matter, it is what it is. Next I am going to put down the full boxes. So yeah, they are. These boxes are always a little tiny bit too big. I'm not sure if it's my printer settings or if it's the way that the kit has been the kit's been made, but either way it is always slightly too big, so when I lay the stickers down they overhang onto the strips, so I do trim them. And again, I'll go ahead and speed this part up so that you don't need to spend ages watching me trim all these stickers down. Well, that was a bit of a pain in the backside, so I managed to completely wreck this sticker here, but never mind. It doesn't matter, it's not that important. Right, I'm going to pop down my weekend banner. It says I heart weekends. Who doesn't? Stick that there. And then what I'm going to do with the day covers is I'm actually going to put them on this side so that it doesn't cover up any of the trackers, the to-dos. Right, so because, as I've said, we are actually off, I'm off college, my daughter's off school, so what I'm going to do is pop down, I was thinking I could use these on here. Also means as well that I can cover up that little ripped bit, and I think the ripped bit looks worse than the stickers being the way they are, because what I'm going to do is pop a sticker on each side of this and that'll cover up that part of the heart anyway. So I'm going to use these Darling Dear Girl Boss stickers, and then I'm going to use them to mark in study time. I'm going to use these no school stickers from Happy Cutie Studio in here just because they're smaller than the no school stickers that I usually use from One Crafty Country Girl. This way it just it fits in slightly better. The 18th, which is this day here, it's actually my papa's birthday, so I'm going to pop that little celebration sticker in there from One Crafty Country Girl. It's volunteer day on Wednesdays at the school, and it is college payday on Friday. So I'm going to quickly write in the dates. That's me finished. I actually really like this. I think this is a really cute spread. I don't like birds, but I like owls. So I really do. I like this spread. I think it's nice and cute. And I do like to make this a cute sort of planner. I don't know why, I just do. I don't know if it's because I use it more for like college stuff and my daughter, and I know she likes cuteness. So either way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. As always, I will leave a link in the description down below to the kit that I used, as well as my One Crafty Country Girl PR code and my Instagram account. If you would consider following me over there as well, that would be wonderful. And until next time guys, happy planning. Bye.